sound. Hey! Can you see anything, Teresa?
No, nothing. Maybe
Check
down
over there,
there.
check over there, check over there. Do you see anything?
No.
What about over there?
Be up here.
I don't know.
Around here.
What are you up to?
We heard some sounds, Judy.
What sounds?
Sounds of animals.
They came from our new neighbor's home.
Are you sure? They could be coming from the TV.
No, they sounded so close and real.
We went past our new neighbor's garden one day. Look, see the flowers? Look, come see. Come on. Squawk! 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 Can you hear that? A parrot squawking.
Squawk? Squawk? Squawk?
Meow, meow, meow.
And there's a cat. It's meowing. And there's a dog too. It's barking. Woof, woof, woof.
Hey, they are pets, not big animals.
There's more.
Listen. Roar! 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 What's that sound?
It's a tiger roaring.
It could be a lion. Roar, roar, roar. I'm scared, Max.
Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. Is that the sound of an elephant?
Yes, I think it's an elephant trumpeting. Sounds very angry.
Let's get out of here now. Hiss, hiss, hiss.
Eek! I hear a snake hissing.
That could be an alligator hissing. Hiss, hiss, hiss.
Ah!
We should call the police, Judy. No one should keep lions or elephants at home.
Wait, the point is, you didn't see any animals there.
If we found them, we would have been dead.
Yes, and we heard some noise from the storehouse yesterday, Judy.
They sounded creepy.
I know.
Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. What's that sound?
Pop, pop, pop?
I hear balloons bursting.
How strange. Smash, smash. Something smashed.
What's going on inside?
I don't know.
Let me guess. Could there be...
Uh-oh.
Then what?
We ran home. We were so afraid.
Bang, bang, bang! That could be a murder!
Relax. You didn't see it happen, right? You just heard some sounds.
I have an idea. Why don't we go over to his house and take a look? Listen. Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom.
Look!
Come on, let's go check it out. Oh, it's a car crash.
That's our new neighbor's car! It's you! You keep wild animals at home.
What? And we heard a murder taking place in your storehouse.
What are you talking about? A murder? Nonsense. Who are you guys?
Excuse me, we're your neighbors. This is Max and Teresa, and I'm Judy, their cousin. You're Mr.
Gibberish.
Hi, Mr. Gibberish. They are just curious about the sounds they heard. Could you please show them around your place, just to ease their minds?
Okay. Neighbors, right? Follow me.
We heard animal sounds from here.
Oh. I understand now. Just, listen. tiger roaring, right? An elephant trumpeting. An alligator hissing.
Uh-oh.
When I'm out, these animal sounds keep the thieves away.
How about the gunshots from your storehouse?
Yes! Yes!
There!
Okay, calm down, calm down. Come and take a look. Did you really hear gunshots coming from my storehouse?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Okay, when did you hear a murder, my neighbors?
Yesterday evening! We heard balloons bursting, and then something smashed.
Then someone slapped someone else in space, and
Wow! Good hearing, but you're all very wrong. First things first. I was using this microwave oven yesterday evening to make popcorn. Pop, pop, pop. See?
Oops.
And then a stack of plates slipped out of my hands and smashed. Very clumsy of me, huh?
Hey! Go away!
Yeah, that's what I did yesterday, right here.
Arr! Arr! It hurts!
Yep, it hurt me too.
Then why did they hear click click and gunshots?
Wow. That's what my little buddy here likes to play with. Come on, buddy. I guess you heard gunshots from some TV show. Bang, bang, bang!
Well, at least there's no blood or dead body here.
no.
Phew, I'm glad we didn't call the police.
Sorry, Mr. Gibberish. We're very sorry.
Now, everything's clear? I need some help from you guys.
Yes, we'll help you clean this place up, all right?
Thank you. I'll go fix my car now. Oh, and hey, don't spy on me anymore.
We won't, Mr. Gibberish.
See ya!